The liver is responsible for more than 500 vital functions in your body. It helps digest food, makes important proteins for the blood, and removes toxins and waste products from the body, among many others. So it's important to take care of your liver. Your diet plays an important role in protecting your liver so it can keep running smoothly. This is true whether you have a healthy liver or if you have liver disease. We'll run through the best foods that can boost liver health or help repair some of the damage. 1. Leafy greens. Your liver's best friend. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are fantastic for liver health. These vegetables are packed with chlorophyll, which aids in detoxifying the liver by neutralizing heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. They also provide a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support liver function. Chlorophyll helps cleanse the liver, while vitamins A, C, and K promote overall liver health. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet can be as simple as adding a handful to your morning smoothie, tossing them in a salad, or sautéing them with garlic for a tasty side dish. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Detox powerhouses. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower are known for their detoxifying properties. These veggies contain glucosinolates, which help produce enzymes that support liver detoxification processes. They also contain fiber, which aids in the removal of toxins through the digestive system. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. To get the most benefit, try steaming these vegetables to preserve their nutrient content, or include them in stir-fries and soups for a delicious and nutritious meal. 3. Fatty fish. Omega-3 boost. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce liver inflammation. These healthy fats also support liver cell regeneration and improve liver enzyme levels. Omega-3s play a crucial role in reducing fat buildup in the liver, which is essential for preventing fatty liver disease. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear them for a tasty and liver-friendly meal. If you are not a fan of fish, consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nutrient-dense snacks. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are packed with essential nutrients that support liver health. They are rich in healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, and proteins. Walnuts, in particular, are high in glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in liver detoxification. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the liver from oxidative stress. Flax seeds contain lignans, which support liver detoxification and hormone balance. Incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet by adding them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salads, or simply enjoy them as a snack. 5. Berries. Antioxidant powerhouses. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, which are vital for protecting the liver from damage. These fruits are rich in polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and promote liver cell repair. The antioxidants in berries also help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the liver. Berries are not only delicious but also versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or use them in healthy desserts. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can significantly boost your liver health. And there you have it, the best foods for liver damage recovery. Incorporating leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, and berries into your diet can significantly improve your liver health. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for your overall well-being, so take good care of it with these nutritious foods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.